You'll tune now. The Ministry of Health is looking to fully automate a number of its critical procedures. Let's do categories and partitions. Let's do development of software. Computer scientists, software engineer. I would put computer engineer, but that don't really fit any scenario so much. Other than IT professionals and computer software, there are a number of other IT components that are necessary for the proper functioning of an automated system. Name two of these other components, and for each discuss the role that they play. Alright, so usually you need software, IT professionals, you need hardware, and you need networking or communications. Alright, so for hardware, you want to say that the hardware should function properly and be reliable, because all other systems depend on it. Networking, this is necessary because it allows the system to communicate with each other effectively. Example, so it's 6 marks, so I would want to seal the 3 marks. So reliable hard drives. I'll put for hardware. Networking, I'll put efficient switches and routers. Yeah, sounds good. Yeah. Within one department at the ministry, there are 4 computers and 1 printer. State 3 topologies that could be used for setting up a network, and for each one a disadvantage. Just so. Wow. 6 marks. Alright, so star, ring, and bus. Star, each one a disadvantage. State, okay. If is the central switch or node or hub, goes down, the whole network is affected. Ring, if one computer or node goes down, the whole network is affected. And bus, if there is a break in the transmission line, a large portion of the network can be affected. Right. referring to proprietary software. This is software that has been made by a company to work only on the specified hardware they approve of. Example, Windows or Mac OS. Outline two advantages using proprietary software. One is reliability. The software is tested extensively to ensure it works well under all circumstances. Then the next one would be security. The software is regularly patched, maintained, and patched to prevent vulnerabilities. Yeah, something so. I'll probably spell vulnerabilities wrong, but y'all know the drill by now. Outline two advantages of using open source software. First advantage is cost. The software tends to cost a lot less because it is free to use. Next one will be customizability. Since the source code is available to be modified, it can be tweaked to your needs. Yeah, tweak to your needs kind of soft, but close enough. As one. Alright, number 4, on a daily basis, Coffee's job entails using his vehicle for several long trips to new and different customers and locations throughout the country. Without a GPS device fitted to his dashboard, his job would be almost impossible. So, two most appropriate human-centered interfaces required for the driver and the GPS system to interact. Most appropriate HCI required for, okay, so you want touch. Because he is driving, direct manipulation of the screen would be a useful feature. Next one will be voice. It would be safer if he uses his voice while driving, so he can keep his hands on the wheel. Whew. Sometimes these IT papers be so much writing, and I just get fed up writing. Explain the role that each human-computer interface described in part 1 plays in their interaction between GPS and the driver. Didn't I just do that? Okay. What did they ask for before? Describe the two most appropriate, right? Oh, they want me to describe it. Okay, I think I understand. Alright, so that means I mess up here. After they say what the voice thing, so he would use voice commands. Yeah, let me see. What I want to say is he would use voice commands to input the search queries into the GPS system. Right. And now I want to say the role that it would play. Describe the role it plays in the interaction. Touch allows for quick inputs on the screen, and voice allows for quick feedback without having to send without having to distract them. In order to improve with delivery of service, the school canteen has decided to accept orders via the computer only. Name one each here that is suitable for, and one which is not suitable. Accept orders via the computer only. They'll probably use menu, because menu will give you the option to choose the different menus. Menu is most suitable. And command line is not suitable. Yeah. For each ACI name, one reason to support your choice for use by the cafeteria. Okay. Menu gives the ability to list the things on sale. And then command line would require the user to type commands. is inconvenient. Whew. I feel like I'm writing forever. Describe the following terms. Data security. Data security is ensuring the data is safe from deliberate or accidental damage. Data integrity is ensuring the data is free from error or defects that would result in bad information output. Passwords are a form of securing data, but in order for them to be efficient, they must have characteristic info. Length 8 to 16 characters. Alphanumeric. Symbols and numbers. No, alphanumeric is numbers. Change alphanumeric to upper and lowercase. Upper and lowercase letters and numbers. Right. Distinguish between a web page and a website. A website is a collection of web pages. A web page is a single HTML document. Define term uniform resource locator. It is a path to a web page on a server that uses a domain name and structure that matches to an IP address. Alright, discuss one way in which hyperlinks are used on the World Wide Web. What? Discuss? 3 marks to explain hyperlinks, man? Okay. They link web pages together by inserting URLs into the page text. Thus creating a network of pages, of linked pages, similar to a web. That's the best I could get there. That's the best I could get there. That was a weird question. Alright, that's module 2. See you next video. Alright, it's that time of the year again where it's time for crash courses, because you spent your whole year fighting up with school, not being able to go to school when you want to, always worrying about COVID, all kind of issues. So I have all the CSEC IT, CAPE IT, and CAPE Computer Science crash courses that you need. I'll be able to give you the whole syllabus in one quick dose
to be able to get you over the hump. So here's how the crash courses will be going this year. So for all the crash courses, we have 3 different levels that you could choose from this year. Level 1 is video only. That's just a video that'll be about 6 to 8 hours long that covers the entire syllabus, going through and a kind of like a speed run, explaining every single thing, but not explaining every single thing, if you understand what I mean. Level 2 is a video and a class in April where you get to ask me anything about the syllabus. So you'll get the video in advance, you could watch it about 2 to 3 days before, and then you come to that class and then you ask whatever question you need to ask. And the third one is you get the video, you get that class, and you get access to our WhatsApp group directly to be able to ask me questions at any point in time whenever you're doing any past paper, whenever you're studying any work. And that's how the crash course is going to run this year. So the crash courses will be CSEC IT, Cape IT Unit 1, Cape IT Unit 2, Cape Computer Science Unit 1, and Cape Computer Science Unit 2. Those are the days. Each one runs from 9 to 12. That's if you take the class option. You will be able to come into that class and ask any question about the syllabus, and of course you will get the video a few days in advance where you could watch through the whole thing. So what are the costs? Well, for all crash courses, CSEC and Cape, basic, which is the video alone, will be $150. $200 will be for the standard, and the pro will be $250, which is the video, the class, and the WhatsApp group to ask questions at any point in time. So how do you register? You have to makeITsimpleTT.com/crash course, and you will be able to see all the courses that are available. You choose the one you want, you register, go through the payment, and then you will be given the video. Once you're given the video, you will be able to watch it at any point in time. Of course, if you register for the other ones, you'll be given the video and you'll be given the timetable of when your class is going to be. You'll be added to a Google Classroom. And if it's a pro, you'll be given the video, you'll be given the class, and your phone number will be added to our WhatsApp group. So that's makeITsimpleTT crash courses. So I look forward to seeing you all. April, everything is going to be launched, so you can register from now, which is from March, for them. And you might just get the video before the end of March. And just in case you're wondering, these crash courses cover the new syllabuses. So the new syllabus for IT CSEC that launched a few years ago, the new syllabus for Cape IT, and the new syllabus for ComSci. All the new stuff, all the things that they put into the syllabus that may not be always clearly explained, or the current textbooks don't have it, these crash courses have it. makeITsimpleTT.com/crash course. So I'll see you all there.